Capital budgeting is a process used by businesses to evaluate and decide on long-term investment or projects. These projects could range from purchasing new equipment to launching a new product line. The goal to ensure the business's financial resources are being allocated in the most profitable way. So, why capital budgeting is important? Capital budgeting is very important. Capital budgeting is critical because it helps businesses to maximize returns while managing risk. It answers the big question: is this investment worth it? Without a proper budgeting process, business may waste resource on projects that does not generate enough returns. So there are four main technique methods: NPV, internal rate of return, IRR or payback period, and profitable index. NPV, net present value. This method calculates the value of a project by subtracting the initial investment from the total present value of future cash flows. A positive NPV means the project is expected to generate more money than it cost. IRR, internal rate of return. So this calculates the rate of return that makes the NPV equal to 0. If IRR is greater than the cost of capital, the project is considered worthwhile. So payback period. Payback period. This method looks at how quickly an investment can pay back its initial cost. The shorter the payback period, the better. Now, profitability index. This ratio shows the returns per unit of investment, helping prioritize projects when funds are limited. And now, finally, capital budgeting decision process. Here, how the capital budgeting process works. First, identify potential projects and estimate the future cash flows. Next, evaluate these projects using the methods we just discussed. Finally, make the decision: will the project create value for the company or not? So, in conclusion, capital budgeting is essential for guiding business toward profitable. Okay, so sustainable growth by using methods like NPV, net present value, IRR, and payback period, companies can make well informed investment decision that drives long term success. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.